Good afternoon. Myself Pravalika from CSC final year. She is my team member Sumitra. Our project title is a deep learner based smart precision agriculture system using machine learning under the guidance of Mrs. Mercy ma'am, assistant professor in Agri College of Technology. The main objective of our project is to predict a suitable crop according to the given parameters. In order to ensure the successful harvest, we provide a new online retail platform to sell their produce directly without the help of mediators. It is very useful to gain a profitability as well as a productivity to the farmers. Then we are going to the problem statement. The future generation must not aware of a good prediction. A bad prediction leads to a bad harvest. That's why they get less profit as well as less productivity. To overcome this problem, we aim to overcome the problem. We give 3 modules such as a prediction, buy and sell, which is created by us. Then these are the literature surveys. First one is improving crop productivity through a crop recommendation system using ensampling technique. This is the system where we use build a model that combines the predictions of multiple machine learning models together to recommend the right crop based on the soil type and accuracy. The next one is a data-driven approach to soil moisture collection and prediction, where to design and implement the soil moisture collection prediction using a wireless sensor nodes. Then the third one is a soil classification using machine learning methods and a crop suggestion based on the series. To predict a soil series with a land type according to the predictions, it can suggest suitable crops using KNN and SVM algorithm. Next, we can go to the inference from literature survey. From the literature survey, some of the crop predictions only focus on soil chemical values. It does not consider the humidity values, which is very useful to predict a suitable crops. Then other systems are uses a wireless sensor node, but it takes more time to predict the crops. In other cases, they only focus on particular land types and few cities. To enhance the problems, our system gives 3 types of selling, buying and modules, and to predict the crop with a greater accuracy.
Next, we can go to proposed system. We are newly introduced the concept of online retail platform in our project. In our project, we predict the crop name from the given parameters such as air humidity, soil humidity, rainfall, air temperature. In our project, classification is done by using sklearn Python library. It is built to our machine learning models. In NumPy and Pandas libraries is reading a data, manipulating and summarizing it. During the analysis, we can better results through SVM algorithm. Next, we can go to system architecture. First, we can load the data. Next, the farmer can give the input. Next, we can go to data acquisition. Next, we can go to SVM algorithm model. First, we can go train the data. Next, we can predict using the parameters such as air humidity, soil humidity, air temperature, rainfall. Next, we can go to summarize the data and apply the SVM algorithm. We can predict the best crop. Next, we can go to dataset. Dataset is textual and numerical parameters. It is test and train, evaluate the performance of the algorithm. In dataset, numerical attributes such as air temperature, air humidity, soil humidity, rainfall is trained as a input value, and a textual attribute is crop name is trained as a output value. From given link is get the data set from our website. Next, we can go to modules. There are 4 modules: classification modules, building modules, testing modules and prediction modules. First, classification modules. Classification modules we can split into 2 types. One is test and training. 75% is testing data and 25% is training data. Building classifiers. Training data set is fed to independent base learners and individual classifiers to build using training data set. Next, we can go to testing modules. Testing data set is applied on each of the classifiers. Individual class labels are obtained. Finally, we can go to prediction module. Predict the accurate crop using sklearn with better accuracy. Next, result and analysis. Output for the given parameters. It predict the matching the input crop name. Pre-processor is consist of both two types, training and testing set. Given input, load the pre-processed data, comparison with the crop name and predict the better crop name with accuracy. This process is carried out using SVM algorithm. ROC curve is compass both results and contrast its accuracy. Finally we can get the better results in our algorithm. It show accuracy is 89%, and finally we predict the crop name. This is our output screenshot. First register module, login module, and then it is our website. There are three modules: buy, sell and crop prediction. This is our buy module. Next is sell module, predict module. It is predict the crop name.
Next we can tell about Agni in my career. Our college Agni College of Technology given so much of training and class regarding about our project. Some of the technical trainings are front-end frameworks and back-end development. From the training, we got more knowledge to gain how to develop a project. Specifically, we used a Flask as a framework in our project, which is more compatible to work with a machine learning algorithm. Next, the conclusion, future enhancement. Farming is the major source to survive in the world. Farming wears a footprint in smarter technologies, which increases the productivity as well as the profitability. In order to meet these demands, we had added a new prediction term through that we will get a better result. Here we will conclude the precision agriculture is the right thing in the right place, in the right way, at the right time. In future, we will add more features of prediction in agriculture sector and give a complete and satisfied website to the farmers. These are some reference taken from the different journals. This is our journal details. Thank you so much. Then the main objective of our project is to provide a free and open website for our farmers. This is our project output. First, the farmer can register with their details. Then they can log in through email and password. Then they go to the three modules where they can meet a buy module, sell module and a prediction module. In sell module, the farmers can upload the product information about what is the crop and how much is this quantity and quality and etc. This is shown in a buy module where the users can buy products. Then last module is a prediction module where we give input parameters such as air humidity, soil humidity, air temperature, soil pH and rainfall values. Then using a SVM algorithm, it can predict the suitable crop with a greater accuracy. Thank you.